Yeah, but
Easy.
Alright, you guys ready? Cutty,
Come now. Come.
you guys have been on this tour far too long.
Yeah, right now, I can't have. You feel me? Yo, how my eye look?
Yeah, it's funny?
No, here we now. Dog, right now, I have enough of this party. Right?
Yeah.
I can't have enough of this tour. But guess what I don't have enough of? The dancers.
So big up the enough dancers them. They don't know. No, them turn up Europe so fucking loud. Can I say fucking? Okay.
Rascal.
Fucking. They say we can say fucking.
Yeah, but I can say Rascal.
Oh.
But guess what else we can say? Mad sinner.
Yeah, enough dancers them are the maddest thing. No, them run Europe, them run Jamaica to some time. But them turn up loud. So big up the enough dancers them. They don't know how Cutty represent for them from COPPERSHOT. And Marc Chin, the youth with the funny eye, from COPPERSHOT I represent. They don't know a mad ass thing. And look for them in December. Enough dancers will be in Jamaica in December. They'll be turning it up.
Mad. Cause you don't know, say, a Cutty from COPPERSHOT did attack with the funny mouth and tongue. So anyway, little more.
And remember say, Marc Chin have the funny cock.
Oh, you know what my cock? Show this.
Bobby tell me. Bobby tell me. Bobby Chin from Black Chinese tell me say, Mark have... Yo, my yard, you know.
Everywhere we party, people want make the Gaza man so happy. Street vibes from a sauce, me mix up in a